The Defense Security Cooperation Agency (DSCA) delivered the required certification notifying Congress of this possible sale today. The approval came a few days after Turkiye allowed Finland to join NATO. Turkiye has requested to buy defense articles and services to support its current fleet of F-16 aircraft, including software upgrades of the Operational Flight Program (OFP) avionics with the Automatic Ground Collision Avoidance System capability, hardware modifications to enable integration of the Multifunctional Information Distribution System Block Upgrade 2, procured separately, hardware and software upgrades to include aircraft major modification, both classified and unclassified software and software support, integration and test support, support equipment, training and training equipment, spare and repair parts, publications and technical documentation, U.S. government and contractor engineering, technical, and logistical support services, and other related elements of logistical and program support. The estimated total cost is $259 million. Turkiye sent a request for a proposal to the U.S. and asked for the modernization kits for 79 F-16 aircraft to reach Block Viper. The statement does not mention that number and qualification because Turkiye's F-16 Block 70 request, which is claimed to be worth approximately $20 billion, is currently awaiting the approval of the U.S. Congress. Defense Security Cooperation Agency statement adds that the principal contractor will be Lockheed Martin. It is known that Turkish Aerospace proposed modernizing F-16s in Turkiye. On the other hand, Turkiye holds the Oscar program to modernize the F-16 fleet.